Hello guys, my name is Rionaldo Novensa. My friends call me Rio. And today I want to tell you about myself. Okay, so first about my strength. So my strength is easy to socialize. I usually try to talk with my friends and so on. And then easy to adapt. And third, adapt with hard work or work in the pressure like that. And the fourth, feel grateful. And then my weakness. My weakness is clumsy and then easy to forget something. Even for example, when I meet my friends that already told me his or her name before, I forget just in 5 minutes like that. It's really embarrassing. And not paying attention to the details. I easily miss some details like that. And also late. Late is my weaknesses. But there's something that, oh yeah, also one more thing. My strength. It's never give up easily. I think that. Okay, so I will show you my editing video. Check it out. Hello guys, today we're gonna present you about this is my entrepreneur assignment. It's group team. I will show you more in my YouTube channel maybe. Just check it. Okay.
When you have the mentality.
Okay. And then thank you for that attention. Hope you like it. I'm sorry that this video is actually not really good because I exactly worked on it 2 hours before the deadline in the same day. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye.